Alright, so I got the wife's 2016 Civic here in the hoist. We're doing a transmission fluid change and filter. Couldn't find any valuable research on where the filter's actually located, so we took some stuff apart that we didn't need to. On the 2016 1.5 turbo, you take the oil cooler off, 3 bolts, and the filter's in here, hiding in this hole. So we're going to get it changed. The fill plug's right here. You do not have to take the battery out, only the airbox. So figured I'd show you guys that so you're not shaking your heads trying to find the filter, because it's not very big. And I get the old filter out. A little bit dirty. Not much metal in it though. Put your O-ring on the new filter. They go in the round hole first, tabs on the outside. So shove her in the hole and get her done. Alright, so we got her all back together here now. As you can see, the fill plug is accessible with the airbox in. So we're going to lift her up and put the drain plug back in before we do that. You just stick a 1/2 inch or 3/8 drive ratchet right into that. It's a square fitting. The old black shit to come out of her, and the new stuff over there, it's gonna go in her. And the belly tray's back on. We're done underneath. All there is to it. So when you fill her up, it calls for 3.8 or 3.9 liters. Probably just put the whole 4 in, seems fine. I filled 3 jugs there and there's still a good liter left in, so the dealership clearly just put the whole 4 in probably. And we'll do the procedure here. I'm just waiting for her to bring another liter so we can top it up, and then we'll do the startup procedure after doing the transmission change. Alright, so when you first start it up, you put the park brake on and you do each gear for 5 seconds. Alright, so we're going to clear the transmission service record on the computer here. So go ahead. There you have it.